What is up, Diecasters, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And as always, today also we have another RWB release which was released in May, and I told you guys this will be definitely on our page and we will be doing a review as well for this. So yes, you guys can see from the color what it is. This is actually the RWB 993. So talking about this specific RWB, this is the Lomianki 993 release edition, and you guys can see the basic white body of the RWB as well as the white wing. Talking about this color, it is like a highlight light blue mixed with the green, and this is somewhat similar to the Tiffany RWB. So Tiffany RWB is also to be released within this month as far as I know, and that will also be in the channel as well. So here for you guys the Lomianki 993, and while we are unboxing we will get in deeper to the details of it. Let's take out the packing, and as usual Tarmac comes in the normal basic package as well as the plastic wrapper. So you just have to take out the wrapper, we'll put that aside, and here you guys have it, the Lomianki 993 Porsche RWB, and with the amazing blue color. This is actually blue and green mix. I'm actually not sure what the color actually is, and you guys get the limited edition card package as well, which is also in the same colorway. So keeping that aside, let's get into the car. Talking about this car, there are a lot of details into this which I don't see in other RWBs, because talking about this livery and the decals that I add up to it, it is actually very detailed. And talking about the number plates, the decals, the card numbers, and also if you guys look onto the right side of the car, you guys can see, especially the passenger seat side, the door, you guys can see there are few flags, few national flags mentioned, and on this side with the car number. And also one special part about this specific model is that there is a coat which runs through the car, especially on the either side of the doors as well as the front. And talking about the package itself, you guys can see there is a wording. What the world needs now is rough. An amazing quote which I haven't heard before, but definitely a very detailed car and gonna be one of my favorites on top of the list. And with this we are getting way closer to having the whole entire collection of RWB Tarmacs. So getting into the basic details, the wheels, the rims, and the wide wing, especially the wide wing, and the colorway, it's actually amazing. And blue, Tiffany blue and green are usually my favorite colors after black and white. So thing with the colorway is that the colorways do a lot to the model as well as the actual car, and when you have a good colorway going on and matching the car details, it looks actually amazing. And this is what RWB has done, and Tarmac has beautifully mentioned into the actual model car. And 164 scale, talking about the 164, a lot of details into it, and I'm really happy about the car. No damages or nothing at all, and nicely done. So yes, there you guys have it, the Lomianki RWB 993. So there you have it guys, another RWB to our collection and to our channel and for you guys to enjoy. And as always, hope you guys enjoy the video as we bring out the latest releases. Even this was released in May and it was in our channel on June itself. So hope you guys enjoyed, and please do subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button and hit the like button. Keep up with our channel and stay tuned as we are coming up with a giveaway very soon. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys on the next video very soon.